Intelligent students, how are you? Well, don't ask about me because I'm always fine. Today, I'm gonna share with you the 9 types of intelligence by Howard Gardner. First is the naturalist intelligence or the nature smart. Naturalist intelligence designates the human ability to discriminate among living things, plants, animals, as well as sensitivity to the other features of the natural world, clouds, rock configuration. This ability was clearly of value in our evolutionary past as hunters, gatherers, and farmers. It continues to be central in such roles and botanists or chiefs. It also speculated that much of our consumer society exploits the naturalist intelligence, which can be mobilized in the discrimination among cars, sneakers, kinds of maps. Second was the musical intelligence, or the music smart. If you are a fan of listening music, playing instruments, then you have that intelligence. Musical intelligence is the capacity to discern pitch, rhythm, timbre, and tone. This intelligence enables us to recognize, create, reproduce, and reflect on music, as demonstrated by composers, conductors, musicians, vocalists, and sensitive listeners. The third one is the logical mathematical intelligence, or the number reasoning smart. Logical mathematical intelligence is the ability to calculate, quantify, consider proposition and hypothesis, and carry out complete mathematical operations. It enables us to perceive relationships and connections and to use abstract symbolic proofs, sequential reasoning skills, and inductive and deductive thinking patterns. The fourth one is the existential intelligence. Existential intelligence, sensitivity, and capacity to tackle deep questions about human existence, such as the meaning of life, why do we live, and why do we die. The fifth one is the interpersonal intelligence or the people's smart. If you are friendly, talkative, and then you have that intelligence. Interpersonal intelligence, the ability to understand and interact effectively with others. It involves effective verbal and non-verbal communication. The ability to note distinctions among others, sensitivity to the moods and temperaments of others. The sixth one is the bodily kinesthetic intelligence. If you are a fan of dancing, playing games, then you have that intelligence. Bodily kinesthetic intelligence is the capacity to manipulate objects and use a variety of physical skills. This intelligence also involves the sense of timing and perfection of skills through mind and body units. Athletes, dancers, surgeons, and craftspeople exhibit will develop bodily kinesthetic intelligence. The seventh one is the linguistic intelligence, or the word smart. If you are a fan of writing, then you have that. Linguistic intelligence, the ability to think in words and to use language to express an appropriate complex meaning. Next one is the intrapersonal intelligence, or self-smart. Interpersonal intelligence is the capacity to understand oneself and one's thoughts and feelings, and to use such knowledge in planning and directioning one's life. Interpersonal intelligence involves not only appreciation of the self, but also the human condition. The last one is the spatial intelligence, or picture smart. Spatial intelligence is the ability to think in 3 dimensions. Core capacities include mental imagery, spatial reasoning, image manipulation, graphic and artistic skills, and an active imagination. Sailors, pilots, sculptors, painters, and architects. Young adults with this kind of intelligence may be fascinated with mazes and jigsaw puzzles, or spend free time drawing or daydreaming. That's all for today. Thank you. I'm out. Waterloo.
No, sige, mabasag na ko, kuya.
I'm out lagi. Balik daw. Ang close sa.